Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook profile has some issue. Okay, let's start. First of all, open your Play Store application and then tap on search. Now search here Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Update your Facebook apps. If it is available, my Facebook apps already updated. After update your Facebook apps, go back your home screen and then open your Facebook application. Now tap on 3 horizontal line top of the right. Scroll down. You can see help and support. Tap on help and support. Then tap on report a problem. Now tap on continue report a problem. Tap on include. Now scroll down little bit. You can see here profile. Tap on profile. Now tap on update from photos. Then choose your photos. And write your problems here. Now tap on send. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.